up, gentlemen? So the inspiration for today's video are these jeans. All right, so here's the story. Last weekend, I was going out with my wife to dinner. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna wear like my gray denim, a black leather jacket, right? I pull these bad boys on. She takes one look at me and she goes, they're disgusting. Disgusting? I think the word you're searching for is sexy. I said, nope, disgusting. You can see your junk. They're way too tight. And I took a look in the mirror. I said, that's the way I roll, sweetness. Go make me a sandwich. I did not say that, but I should have. Gentlemen, today, in an attempt to help you not disgust your girl, I'm going over 10 things guys wear that make girls go, ew. Number one is apparently jeans that are too tight. So here is the pair of denim that is in question. As you can see, they are a little snug. So apparently, women find it gross when a dude is rocking pants that are so tight it highlights his ample package. But I have another theory. They're jealous. They're jealous of our sexy ass legs and ample booty. Either way, it is important that you are not rocking jeans or pants or shorts or anything that is too super skin tight. My wife has confirmed that this pair of jeans is perfect in terms of the fit and what a woman wants to see a dude rocking. They're not too big and baggy, letting you know, yo mom, I got a little something going on, but they're not skin tight, showing off your monster package. In my case, average. The second thing that women find gross are discolored or sweaty pits. One of the reasons why I personally buy like super cheap t-shirts from typically like outlet stores like J. Crew Outlet or The Gap is because after a little while, the armpits will get discolored because of the aluminum in your antiperspirant deodorant. And regardless of how much you wash it or bleach it, it never goes away. There are two ways to solve the problem. Number one is wear a deodorant without antiperspirant. No aluminum, no pit stains. Unfortunately, this brings us to another huge disgusting turnoff, which is sweaty pits. And walking around rocking big massive like sweat rings is also kind of disgusting, not to mention embarrassing. The way that I solve the problem, once a year I will toss my whites. Number three is a thumb ring. I don't understand it, but apparently when a chick sees a dude and he's rocking either a thumb ring or too many rings, it is a huge turnoff. The takeaway is that if you are going to accessorize with rings, you don't want to overdo it. There are certain fingers you should avoid, which are the thumb and the pinky. My opinion, one ring per hand. Number four is baseball hats. Sup, girl? I'll tell you what's up. Women do not apparently find it attractive when dudes rock baseball hats, all right? The truth is, guys, if you're gonna rock one, you need to do it systematically. You don't need to do it all the time. There are some dudes that it's like these bad boys are surgically implanted on your head. Guys, here's the deal. You gotta let those flowing locks of lusciousness fly. And even if they're not flowing and luscious, you gotta take off the hat. I know that there are a lot of dudes that wear a hat because they're insecure about their hair or they're insecure about the fact that they're losing it, receding, or bald. If you are somebody that is not happy with your hair, you got two options. Option number one is to just embrace it. Shave it off, buzz it, go super short, grow some facial hair, maybe some cool frames to add balance, detail, and dimension to your face, and just rock it. Gentlemen, bald is beautiful. But if you're somebody who's not ready to embrace it and wants to do something about it, the good news is that my boys over at Bosley and today's video sponsor can hook you up and help you out. The truth is, hair loss sucks. It is a confidence killer, but the unfortunate reality is that it's gonna happen to a lot of us. But the good news is that Bosley offers you a solution at any stage of hair loss. Guys, there's a link down below this video to go download the completely free, hear me when I say that, free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. That guide is going to outline in detail the different options, go over hair loss, and give you more information. Download that guide. It's completely free, and it's going to let you know, like, yo, I got to do something, or yo, I think I'm cool. The other thing you're going to get when you go through that link, guys, is a $250 free Bosley gift card. And so when you decide to finally take control, you go in, you sit down with the Bosley counselor, go over your various options. You can use that gift card to get $250 off of your Bosley service. Guys, the worst thing you can do when you start losing your hair is nothing. The earlier you catch it, the earlier you go in and actually sit down and talk to Bosley, the sooner you can stop it. Something I recently got was the low-level laser therapy cap. This is the only hat I'm rocking. I wear it at home 30 minutes every other day, and this is going to slow the rate of thinning, all right? This also has been FDA cleared and proven effective. The only thing you have to lose is more hair. Hit the link, grab the guide, and go sit down with with my boys over at Bosley. Do you think these guys are happy they saw Bosley? I mean, seriously, look at their faces, right? These dudes are super pumped. They are loving their new hair. They feel great about themselves and they look amazing. Fifth thing that guys wear that make women go, ew, is any shoes that show your feet. If your feet are super nasty. So as dudes, we don't necessarily pay attention to the finer details of grooming when it comes to our feet. Guys, if you've got funky ass possum climbing toes, you gotta do something about it. You gotta trim those nails. You gotta file off those nasty crusty calluses. You gotta stop looking like a savage, or never ever 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 wear anything that shows your toes like mandals or flip-flops. Number 6 is offensive t-shirts, or any t-shirt graphic in nature that has anything stupid on it. It makes you look like a child. It makes you look ignorant. Now, I'm not saying that I don't love boobies, but I don't need to let the world know about it. What can I say? I like boobies. It's just what it is. Gentlemen, if you also love boobies, why don't you let me know by dropping one of those? Number 6, which is wearing a backpack. So basically, what I understand is anything that makes you look like a little boy, gotta go. Those little string backpack numbers, they suck on multiple levels. The 8th thing that make girls go, ew, yo, nasty, is rockin' Uncle Barry's. Stained, dirty, worn out drawers are nasty. Now, personally, I don't wear white underwear, ever. And the reason is because in case I eat a bad burrito, I don't want any trace evidence. But it's not just skin marks, it's also like the discoloration that happens down in the crotch area. Remember, just like your pits on your white shirts, guys, it's going to get discolored because of the funky nastiness that's going down your pants. No matter what pair of underwear, unless you're wearing boxers, but boxers are terrible and horrible and nobody should wear those, any pair of underwear other than boxers is going to right up in the war zone, that area between your scrotum and your leg. The only real benefit to wearing white or light colored underwear is that the light color makes your package look bigger. Now, what I would recommend is either A, wear white and then toss it once again every like few months when it starts to get a little filthy and nasty, or always go black. The 9th thing that spicy senoritas think are muy disgusting are any item of clothing that screams, look at me, look at me, look at me. Flamboyant and over-the-top items that scream, yo, look at me, check me out, I'm amazing, don't you think I'm super dope, and oh my god, I'm so fly. And last but certainly not least, the 10th thing that make girls go, oh my god, Janice, did you see Brian in that wife beater? For those of you who don't know what a wife beater is, you're looking at one after my girl said my G's look bad. Are we allowed to even call them wife beaters anymore? Is that like not okay? Either way, you shake it, we'll call it a guinea tank top, all right? Whatever, it's those white undershirts that are tank tops that dudes like me, Italian dudes, like to rock. The word on the street is that the white tank top undershirt, although amazing and shows off your physique incredibly, is a little bit inappropriate and disgusting. Personally, I love wife beaters. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, they look incredible with chinos. I'm kidding. Did you actually think I'm serious?